What's up YouTube? Welcome to a brand new series on this channel, which is Barbershop Warmups. I've been looking around YouTube to see if I could find any warm-ups that include vocal harmony, and I couldn't really find any videos where you both get to warm up as well as sing 4-part harmony. And that is why I made this series. In each video, like this, I will introduce you to a warm-up. I will go through each part one by one, just like I would with a tag. After that, I have two versions of the warm-up. The first one includes all 4 voices, starting at C, going all the way to A flat. The second version is a bit more challenging. Here I've removed one of the voices, so you get to warm up your voice as well as practicing intonation and singing in harmony. This exercise might be familiar to many of you. I call it the minor 6 exercise. We sing on an open ah vowel, and the lead starts on C, moving all the way up the scale from 1 to 1. The tenor sounds like this. The baritone sounds like this. And the bass sounds like this. So the bass needs to wait for all the other voices to move up along the scale and then jumps up from 1 to 4 back to 1. So Okay, so now that I explained each part individually, let's listen to the full exercise in 4-part harmony. Keep in mind, this is only the introduction to the warm-up. The actual warm-up video will be posted separately. So now it's time for you to choose either version 1 or version 2. I will leave links to both videos so you can pick either number 1, where all 4 voices are represented, or number 2, where your voice part is removed and you get to both warm up and practice singing 4-part harmony. In the future, I will be posting more warm-up videos just like this, with different exercises, both for male and female voices. Have fun warming up and practicing harmony, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.